Not bad for my first time. Hey, welcome to Pack and Cook. We're going to be cooking cinnamon rolls over a fire. We're going to be using the Coleman oven again. It's going to be a little trickier using fire just because we can't control the heat, so it's going to be interesting to see how things turn out. Okay, alrighty. Gonna try that height. And then we'll roll out our dough onto this board here. So we'll just take this, we'll put it down on the board. This isn't gonna look perfect, but what you want to do is just cut it down the middle. Then from there we can split this across and make little pieces. Okay, so we're gonna need some melted butter that we're gonna throw on top of all of this. We'll cut 1 tablespoon off and then we'll melt it and then we'll pour it over all these in a bowl. Okay, so I'm gonna throw this into here. We'll melt it and then pour it over. So here I've got the butter melting over the fire. It's probably what you want to do is make these the shape that you want. You can even roll them. What I'm gonna do is just throw them in here. If you notice, I don't have a hot pad, so I'm trying not to burn myself. So we're just gonna try and cover all these with butter. So we're gonna put the dough and just roll it in here, kind of cover it all. Just kind of roll each piece, make sure it's all covered. And then we're gonna cook it in this pan. So now we're gonna bake this. I threw them in just because I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough wood, so it's definitely tricky to try and manage cooking this over a fire. So if you see, it's getting close to 400 degrees. It should be at 375, but I'm sure that'll probably keep climbing. Oh, geez. I'm just gonna take this cover off. That's at max heat, like 600. See how this is doing. Alright, we're gonna open this, take a look. Not sure if those are burnt or not. They probably are. Man. You can see where the hot spots were, cooking over a fire. I did have the wind blowing this way, so I'm sure the back side of the oven got a lot of the heat. But honestly, I mean, not bad for my first time. This isn't bad for my first time cooking over a fire trying to cook cinnamon rolls, but you really have to be careful with it. Well, there you have it, cooking cinnamon rolls in the outdoors. If you guys have any suggestions of what else to make, just leave it down in the comments. Thanks.